The political battle wey dey sup for inside Rivers State between the state governor wey be Sir Siminalayi Fubara and the minister of the Federal Capital Territory wey be Sir Wike, e don take a fresh turn. As I'm talking to you right now, my good people, the paramount ruler of Emoha Kingdom, im name na His Majesty Sir Ona Sergeant Awuse, im don declare im palace off limits. He say anybody wey no dey support the minister of the Federal Capital Territory wey be Sir Wike, make the person no try am, make the person no think am say im dey come im palace. No be small matter, my good people. And based on information wey we gather here, we come find out say Sir Awuse na chieftain of the People's Democratic Party wey be PDP, and he na former governorship candidate of the party. The monarch now come dey make this declaration for inside one video wey im record for inside im palace. And for inside that video, my good people, im come dey instruct, im come dey tell im subjects say make dem support the FCT minister wey be Wike. Im come dey warn those people wey no dey support am say make dem no try and say dem dey come im palace. No be small matter. Now, as the supporters of Governor Siminalayi Fubara come hear this one, sharply they come condemn the actions of the monarch. They come dey label am a partisan monarch. They say im dey threaten im people because im dey loyal to Wike wey be the minister of FCT. They come still dey argue say traditional institutions supposed to remain non-political and non-partisan. They're supposed to serve as a unifying force to all people. They're not supposed to support anybody. They're supposed to stand for middle. As a matter of fact, they're supposed to bring together everybody to make sure say they stand as one. No be saying we come dey threaten some kind people. Say if you know say you need to support Wike, no come my palace. Those kind of levels normally say it no make sense. And Prince Charles E.O. Becky JP, in a leader of the supporters of Governor Siminalayi Fubara for inside Emoha, he come dey yarn say the declaration by the monarch now say na recipe for disaster and a bad development. This kind of level, if it creates crisis for inside Emoha, and no be lie, my good people, we all know say na disagreement na dey bring quarrel, and quarrel na dey bring fight. Fights they normally come with violence, and those kind of level now we no want for inside the country Nigeria. Oga Becky come dey yarn for inside one statement say with all due respect to His Majesty, this declaration is very much unfortunate and a clear recipe for disaster. Say all over the world, the traditional institution they always dey act as an impartial force. They no dey play wayo. They no dey support A, they no dey support B. Instead, they go bring A, bring B, make sure say they unite together despite their differences. Traditional institution they always be both non-political and non-partisan. The palace of the paramount ruler na home to all in subjects. So as the monarch come outside now, come drop declaration, come dey yarn say make only the supporters of Wike they come in palace. Say anybody wey no dey support Wike, make the person no come in palace for inside Emoha. This development, this declaration, it no make sense. Na bad development. Prince Charles come still dey yarn say they get high respect for traditional stool of Emoha Kingdom, and they no go downgrade, they no go criticize that institution by spoiling it with politics. He say His Majesty Sir Ona Sergeant Awuse DSSROS, he get the liberty to descend into the political arena, and he get the liberty to choose which side wey he go support. But he no go fit dictate to the people. He no go fit tell the people where their loyalty suppose dey. He no go fit tell them make they support this person wey he want make them support. No, na they go by themselves support who they want support. He say members of the simplified movement for inside Emoha, they will neither be intimidated nor blackmailed into abandoning the righteous cause of supporting the governor wey be Sir Siminalayi Fubara, wey be say now all of them do the necessary, all of them do the things and things to make sure say their vote count. And it come make Sir Siminalayi Fubara come become governor just 1 year ago. Instead, then they very much able to distinguish, to differentiate between their political loyalty and their obligations to the traditional stool of Emoha, and they no go ever merge the both of them. They no go allow anybody now to use that tool to take dictate their political conduct. All dis informate, my good pipu, dey inside the statement by Prince Charles E. Obeki, im na JP and im na leader of the supporters of Siminalayi Fubara for inside Emoha. Anyhow the informate be for body, my good pipu, feel free make you drop am inside our comment section. On to the next informate wey I wan share give the general public. The koko be say the federal government don dey yarn say dem still dey very much committed to guarantee the protection of whistleblowers. Now they go dey handle their matter, they go dey handle their reports with high confidentiality. That is, if any country person notice or see anything wey another country person dey do for inside we country Nigeria wey don't make sense, when dem last come report the matter give the federal government could make sure say that person wey come report the matter nothing do the person. And na Oga Wale Edun wey be the Minister of Finance and Coordinating Minister of the Economy na dey make this statement for the sensitization workshop on the implementation of whistleblowing policy for inside we country Nigeria, and this one dey happen on Wednesday for inside Abuja. Oga Wale Edun say this idea na to ensure smooth operation of the policy, and the focus of this policy dey on 3 key areas, which is public awareness, protection of whistleblowers, and effective response mechanism. And it comes to the yarn, my good people, say normally a successful whistleblowing policy e go involve receiving legit reports, then conducting legit investigations to torchlight whether true the report e dey legit or not, then taking appropriate measures, the necessary things to enforce compliance with the law. And e dey in the collective responsibility of the federal government to create an environment where the population, where country people, they go feel confident and protected in reporting unethical or illegal activities wey dey capable of bringing katakata to the overall development of the country. This na the information wey as make I share give the general public. Anyhow the thing be for body, my good people, feel free make you drop am inside our comment section. Na we be Anointed Lady TV. Now they give on our news on the things and things wey dey happen for inside we country Nigeria. So if you would like to receive legit news, try make you subscribe to this channel and try make you put on the notification bell, so that as we dey bring the news they come, then go first receive the updates and you go get them sharp. I dey come your side with another legit information for you, my good people. Abeg, no go anywhere.